Hi, welcome to my new channel, Lorving Vibes. I'm Isabel Johnson and I'm gonna show you how I do my own nails. Today I'm gonna show you how I do my nails with gel. I learned a few years ago and I have 3 years that I'm doing it by myself. If you have any suggestions or ideas on how to do it better, just leave it on the comments. These are the products that I will be using today. I will list everything in the description of the video. Let's start! We need to clean the old gel. For that, we need to take off the shine of the nails first. I'm using my file 100-180. Make sure to take off all the first coat from your nails. I like to kind of open my caps, and usually I will put them on as I go with the nails, but today I did it slowly. I'm taking my time. Now that we have taken off the first layer, it should look like this. Then we put on the caps with a small piece of cotton very wet in acetone. Now we do the same in the second hand, starting with filing the top coat, giving time to the other hand to soak the acetone. go back to the first hand. Take off the caps and try to leave them open for the next hand. With the cuticle pusher, scratch off the nail polish. Be careful with your nails. This I learned from my last nail technician. She taught me that this prevents of filing too much that will get to your nail and leave them super thin. After you finish scraping what you can, take your nail file 100-180 and start filing the gel off. Remember, be careful with your nails. After you take off most of it, change of file. Depending on how much gel you have left, choose your file. I use 150-180 and this one is 180-180. This file will not damage your nails. It's for polishing the nail. It's important to do it so it smooths the nail for gel. And now we shape our nail. I like my nails kind of square. When we finish, we clean up our nail with a cotton and move on to the next nail. Let's start putting the caps on the other hand while we finish with our first hand, and we leave them on at least for 5 minutes. After leaving them sit for a little bit, we go ahead and do the same process. that we have our nails clean, we clean our mat and get our hot water. In the hot water, I'm adding some Epsom salts. I usually use these for my baths, but this time I'm gonna try it in my hands. And now, relax and leave your hands in the water for a little while, at least until the Epsom salt dissolves. Now let's scrub our skin. I like this one from the Body Shop, smells like cucumbers. Also, I add this shower cream of almond milk and honey, one of my favorites. When we finish, we'll rinse them. With a piece of cotton, grab some acetone and clean your nails. With the cuticle pusher, let's push back your cuticle off your nail. Then, with the cuticle trimmer, cut off the extra cuticle, or you can use the cuticle remover. I only do it on mine if it's really necessary, because I always get hurt. And we polish again. Clean nails! First, we put a layer of our prime. These make your nail more porous and helps the gel to stay longer on your nails. Next, a coat of our UV gel. I have this one from Rick's Nails, and we are gonna use our brush number 4. This is a special for nails. Take just a little, like if you are trying to get just a pearl of it. Remember, these expand. Then, put it on your nail the same way you paint your nails. Center, then sides, and at the end, make sure to get the tips. Now we put them in our LED lamp for 30 seconds. The time can vary depending on the lamp you have. Mine it's an LED 48 watts. And we repeat this step 2 times in each hand. If you want them thicker, I suggest that you do it a 3rd time. Always close your gel container or keep it away of the UV light. This is to prevent your gel from curing. First, we put a layer of the base. "30 seconds in the lamp." The color we're using is shade of violet. We will do 3 layers. Each layer will be cured for 30 seconds. I'm gonna add a layer of an Efect polish to 2 of my nails in each hand and cure for 30 seconds. Last but not least, a layer of top coat in each hand, and this time we will cure for 60 seconds. After curing your coat, clean the nails with acetone to seal the gel. To finish, we put cream on our hands. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe.